Hey guys, how's it going? Mitchell here with Patrick Accounting. Have you ever noticed how holiday movies always seem to feature a main character struggling with work? George Bailey is burned out and questioning everything. Scott Calvin is torn between his job and his family. And let's not forget Clark Griswold, whose entire holiday spirit depends on a bonus that he might not even get. What? As a business owner, you don't want to end up as the unwitting villain in your team's holiday story. Giving holiday bonuses or gifts is a great way to show appreciation, boost morale, and create a workplace culture that people love to be a part of. But before you start playing Santa, there are a few things to consider, like your budget, what your team really values, and yes, even the tax implications. Let's break down the 5 tips to reward your team the right way this holiday season. First things first, do the math. It's easy to get swept up in the holiday cheer, but remember, generosity needs to match your business's financial reality. Ask yourself these questions. Can we afford bonuses this year without straining the budget? Are we planning a holiday party? How many people are on the team? And are significant others invited? Are we covering food, drinks, gifts? The holidays can be an expensive time for everyone, including you. By setting a budget and sticking to it, you'll avoid starting the new year stressed out and still show your team how much you value them. Next, weigh your options, gifts versus bonuses. Bonuses are fantastic for rewarding performance. If your team hits big goals this year, bonuses can be a great way to celebrate those wins. Gifts, on the other hand, are more about inclusion. They're something everyone should receive. And a quick tip, if you're giving gifts for the first time, start modestly. You can always increase your budget as your business grows, but scaling back in the future might leave you with a few Clark Griswolds on your hands. Nobody wants that. Oh, and don't forget, gifts over $75 are considered taxable, so keep that in mind when deciding what to give. Let's talk about cash bonuses. Sure, they might feel a little impersonal, but let's be honest, who doesn't appreciate cash? It's flexible, practical, and always well received. Whether it's covering holiday expenses or going toward a future goal, a cash bonus can go a long way in showing appreciation. Gift cards are another great option, especially if you want to give your team a little spending freedom with a personal touch. Instead of the generic options, consider gift cards for restaurants, spas, local shops, airlines, or gas stations. At Patrick Accounting, we love supporting local businesses. So we give out vouchers to restaurants and stores right here in Memphis. It's a win-win. Our team gets to enjoy a night out or a fun shopping spree, and we're able to invest in our community. Finally, consider giving experiences or even time off. Tickets to a basketball game, a theater production, or a concert can be a unique way to show your appreciation. It's something many employees wouldn't necessarily buy for themselves, and it shows that you know and care about their interests. One more tip before we wrap up, and this is a bonus tip. This one's for free. Holiday spirit. Don't forget to account for all your fringe benefits at the end of the year. Things like personal use of a company car or even gift cards. These all have tax implications, and it's better to handle them now rather than get caught off guard later. Yikes, you don't want that. That's bad news. There are so many ways to make the holidays special for your team without overextending yourself. Whether it's a thoughtful gift, a performance bonus, or even just a holiday party with great food and great company. The key is to show your team that you value them. If you need help navigating year-end finances or just want some advice on tax-friendly ways to give back, give us a call or check out our Learning Center over at patrickaccounting.com. We're here to help you end the year on a high note. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.